All right, welcome to day 3 of math. We have been learning all about two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes are shapes that are flat. We've also been learning that some of our shapes have sides and vertices. A side is a straight line, and a vertex is where two lines come together to make a point. Today we're going to be learning how we can put shapes together to make new shapes. Pretty cool, huh? Now, I cut out some shapes from computer paper. Just gonna put them here. You can use different shapes. I just chose to use squares and triangles. I didn't want to ruin it on how to make all the different shape combinations, so I'm only going to do 2 with you, and then you are going to do more on your own. You will need a paper that looks like this. I took a piece of computer paper, I cut it in half, and at the top I wrote, what is this word? Shape plus shape. You know, the plus sign, guess the plus. We're gonna be kind of like adding 2 shapes together to make a new shape. So, once your paper is ready, go ahead and start the video. Set this here, get my shapes here. You're also gonna need a marker, a crayon, or a pencil. I'm gonna choose red today. All right, I'm gonna start out with adding 2 squares together. So right now, square, square. If I put them together, what new shape do they make? You're right, a rectangle. Isn't that crazy? Pretty cool. So on my paper, I'm going to take my squares, trace them. I'm going to leave a little space in between because I need to make a plus sign. Square plus square equals, I'm going to put the 2 shapes together. Rectangle. Ooh, I should have probably used a whole sheet of paper, so go ahead and do that if you would like. Or you can always turn your paper the other way. Okay, so square plus square equals rectangle. I can even draw a dotted line in the middle to show that there are 2 squares inside my rectangle. Pretty neat. The next shapes I'm going to use are a square and a triangle. If I put the triangle on top of the square, it makes a new shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We haven't learned about this shape, but this is called a Pentagon. Any shape that has 5 sides and 5 vertices is called a pentagon. We haven't learned about it yet, so don't worry. All right, I'm gonna take my square and my triangle. I'm gonna bring them over here. Trace my square. Add my plus sign. Triangle. There we go. Square plus triangle equals pentagon. Draw it this way because I'm not sure if I'm going to have space the other way. It's kind of tricky. All right, there we go. My pentagon. Connect these corners. I'm going to make a little dotted line to show that I have a triangle and my square make a pentagon. I want you to see what other combinations you come up with. You might use a rectangle, triangle, square, hexagon, circle. See what you can come up with. When you're done with that activity, if you go to my teacher website, there is a math drawing activity at the bottom. You can choose one to do. And if you look, it gives you directions It says draw these shapes to make your own bear. So they drew a circle. They drew 2 half circles for the ears. Then they drew 2 smaller half circles for the inside of the ears. Draw a circle. That's part of the bear's mouth or nose. Draw 3 more circles. What do you think these are going to be? The eyes and the nose. Draw a mouth and color your bear. So there's a whole bunch of different drawings where they use shapes to create pictures. So go ahead and choose one of those. And that's all you do for today's math. I'll see you on the next math video. Bye.